Hey guys, in today's video, we are going to see how to crochet these cute little butterflies. So let's get into the video. This is the pattern we'll be using in this tutorial. You can probably take a screenshot of this and take a printout. Now I'm using a desire yarn which is in the color lilac and the hook is 4.5 mm. I'm going to start with a magic ring. I'll show you step by step how to do this. Take the tail end, wrap it around your 3 fingers, make an X, turn around, put your hook into the second strand, through the first strand and twist it like that. That's it. Your magic ring is done. Just remove your fingers and tightly grab the magic ring. Don't lose the twist and have the tail end on one side and grab the working yarn and make the chains there. Here for this pattern, I'm going to make 5 chains. If you see, I've shown you the pattern so that it's easier for you to understand this video. I'm going to start with those 5 chains I'm showing in the pattern. I've made a magic ring and added 5 chains to that. According to the pattern, if you see, next is 1 double treble. So how do you do a double treble? 4 times. 3 times you wrap it around your hook and then you'll have to yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops and yarn over, pull through 2 final loops. You did that 4 times. So this is the double treble. We wrap it around the hook 3 times and you do a yarn over, pull through 4 times. Now I'm doing a treble. So you do it twice here. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops and yarn over and pull through 2 loops, final loops. So you did that 3 times and yarn over you did 2 times. Wrapping it around the hook you did 2 times. For treble you do it 2 times. Now I'm going to show you treble again. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 more loops second time. Yarn over, pull through final 2 loops. So you did that 3 times. That's how you do a treble. Now you did 2 trebles according to the pattern. I'm going to do a double crochet. You wrap around, then yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. You do 2 times. That's how a double crochet is done. So with that, I'm going to chain 2 and finally slip stitch into the magic ring. With that, I'm completing the bigger wing of the butterfly. The first big wing of the butterfly is done with that. I'm moving on to the smaller wing. For that, I will start with chain. So as you go around the magic ring, you can keep pulling it so that in the end it is not very tough for you to pull that tail. Now chain 2. For the next wing, I'm doing a chain 2, doing a double crochet into the magic ring. So according to the pattern, if you see in the right, one more double crochet, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. That's how you do a double crochet. Now you're doing a treble. You wrap it around twice like that. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, and finally yarn over and pull through the last 2 loops. Now I'm doing a chain 3 according to the pattern, and doing a slip stitch into the magic ring. With that, 2 of the wings are done, the big one and the small one. That is how your butterfly looks so far. So as you go around, keep pulling the tail end. So this is one wing, the other smaller wing. You'll have to have 2 more wings the other side. So we will keep going with the same pattern on the other side. There will be a change in the slip stitch. Only when you're finishing the wing, you will have a slip stitch. So I'm going to start with a chain 3 according to the pattern, going in the reverse order. And then a treble, yarn over, pull through 2 loops once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 final loops 3 times. That is a treble. Now a double crochet, 2 double crochet stitches, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 1 more double crochet. So wrap it around the hook, into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops. Now where are we? We are in chain 2. With chain 2, your wing is coming to an end. I'm going to slip stitch here. After that, chain 2. So now 3 wings are done. If you see, 3 wings are done. You have that bigger wing, the final big wing is pending. We'll go in this order, the same order, reverse way. I'm going to chain 1, chain 2. We'll not slip stitch because we have just started from the magic ring, the reverse order. That is a double crochet. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Now twice, wrap it around twice into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops first, yarn over, pull through 2 loops second time, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops 3 times. It's a treble. Now again a treble according to the pattern. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 more loops, yarn over, pull through final 2 loops. Now 2 trebles according to the pattern. Now a double treble. How do we do a double treble? Yarn, wrap it around the hook 3 times, into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through 2 loops once, yarn over, pull through 2 loops twice, yarn over, pull through 2 loops 3 times. This is the 4th time. So that is a double treble. 4 times you do this action and 3 times you wrap the yarn around the hook. Finally, it's the chain 5. We started off with the chain 5. We are going to end with the chain 5 and slip stitch into the magic ring like so. You do a slip stitch into the magic ring and then you can chain 1 and cut off the yarn. I'm going to cut this. Now all you have to do is, you have the hole in between, you have to just pull the tail end so that there is no hole in the middle. You can keep doing this as you go around the magic ring so that it's not difficult in the end. If you see, there's no hole now. You can wrap this yarn around like that in the middle. I'm going to have a black yarn for the middle part of the butterfly, like the one shown in the pattern. You can use any color for the butterfly, but make sure you use a black in the middle so that it gives that, it looks like a real butterfly. Since this is a purple yarn, black is going to look really good on it. This is the thick black yarn I'm going to use for the middle part of the butterfly. Just leave a small tail so that you can tie it up with the other end. And wrap it around the butterfly in the middle really tight. Now in the end, I will tie both the ends together like that. You can probably have more knots, 3 to 4 knots probably, to make it look like the face of the butterfly. It's a thick yarn. So let's see how many knots I did. This is the second knot. Make sure you do it really tight. This is the third knot. And this is the 4th knot. I really loved the way the butterfly turned out. Okay, I'm going for another one, 5th knot. I think this is looking really great. Once you add the black yarn in the middle, you can see that it takes the form of a butterfly. So that is how it turned out to be, and I love the way it looks. You can make use of this in your headbands, in your bags, or other crochet projects like purse, pouch, and other things. Thanks for watching. Bye.